Hello, creating family, Alice here. Are you tired of working so hard online and still not making money? What if I told you there are lazy, legit ways online that you can actually use to make money every single day with just your smartphone? No laptop, no skill, no long complicated setup. In this video, I'll share with you three lazy but legit smart ways that you can use to make money online. Plus a bonus tip to help you automate the whole process. How cool is this? Lazy method number one, sell a simple guide. You don't need to be a writer and you also do not need to write a whole ebook. I'm talking about short 5, 10 to 50 pages guide that solve a particular problem. Here's how it works. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to get some ideas. Just ask ChatGPT with this prompt. What digital product can I create based on my skills, hobby, experience, or even market demand? You'll get ideas like a meal plan for busy moms, a self-care guide for 9 to 5 workers, or a 30 days hustle plan for beginners. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to outline your guide. Use this prompt. I want to create a guide about, insert your topic, right? Then what section should I include to make it simple and beginner friendly? And ChatGPT is going to blow your mind. Step 3, write it using Google Docs. You can use other stuff, but I really love Google Docs because it's easy to navigate for beginners. You don't need fancy grammar, just keep it simple and helpful and also make it practical and action taken. Step 4, design it in Canva. Use free Canva templates, add your content and download it in PDF. Step 5, sell it. You can use platforms like Seller, Gumroad or Paystack. You can price it between 5 to 7,000 or from $5 to $10, okay? Lazy method number 2, affiliate marketing. Too lazy to create your own products? No problems. You can earn money by promoting products you already use. This process is called affiliate marketing. How it works: pick 2 to 3 tools or products you love. Sign up for their affiliate program and get your unique affiliate links. Then create short videos on how you use these tools or products. Like in your capture, you can write, this is the tool that helped me solve a specific problem. Make sure you specify the problem and I can't gatekeep it anymore. This kind of capture creates curiosity. Post this video on your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, on Instagram. Add your affiliate links to your bio or to the pinned comments, depending on the platform you are posting them. Even a small view can earn you passive income. You do not need to have a viral video. Viral video is not needed with this smart strategy, okay? Lazy method number 3, sell a 1-hour workshop. Now, this one is powerful. Sell a 1-hour class or a 1-hour workshop. Note, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Yes, that is all it takes. Think of something people always ask you for help with. That is your workshop topic. Use ChatGPT to get outline for it. Record it using Zoom on Canva. No face needed, just lights and your voice. You can upload and sell it on Gumroad, Seller, or even your own personal website. And here is the bonus tip: set up a lazy funnel. Do you want to make money even while you are not online? Yes, a lazy for the smart way. Set up a simple funnel. Step 1, create a freebie like a checklist or mini guide. Step 2, use ConvertKit or Slow decks to collect emails. Step 3, write welcome email series. ChatGPT can actually help you with this step. Just prompt ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a welcome email series. Let the email build trust and make sure you pitch your guide or workshop on the autopilot. Now you are actually making money without posting every single day. So, Lucrative family, which of the lazy method are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notifications to get notified each time I upload a content just like this. And don't forget to share so that you can help someone out there who is tired of online hustle without significant results. The next video showing up on your screen right now is actually a video that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. It's a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make $10 every single day. Click on it and I will see you there.